back to my channel. So today I'm finally recreating the video that you've all been asking for. That's the tissue pom pom video. I uploaded this a few years ago and it's got almost 1 million views and hundreds of comments, and you guys have been asking for me to recreate it because I actually didn't even explain much about the whole process, how many sheets that you need, how to measure and how to cut the whole thing out. So I've decided to recreate the video for you, and hopefully the instructions are clear this time. I never used to upload videos where I'm actually talking because even if I'm, I used to be a confident person, I just didn't like being on the camera and actually talking, and I found that I didn't like the way my voice sounds on camera, so I decided that I was going to start posting more of these just as part of my personal growth. So I put myself out there and actually I speak and I do more videos, and I feel like it doesn't have to be perfect for me to upload it, because before I'm just I'm sure you notice all my DIY videos, I'm actually just recreating creating whatever it is that I'm creating, but I don't speak at all. So yeah, I've just decided that I'm just going to put myself out there, and whatever it is that you want to do, don't wait till you feel like it's perfect before you do it. I feel the more you do it, the better you'll become. So just do it, put yourself out there, and it's also going to be part of your growth as well, and you'll be so proud of yourself that you've actually done it. So I've recreated the video, and we're creating these really cute tissue pom poms, which are quite good for decorations, for weddings, for parties, whatever it is. So yeah, let's get started. We're making this beautiful paper pom poms, and I made a few earlier, and this is all that you need. All you need is just the tissue paper, some rulers just to gauge how thick you want it to be, a scissors, a ribbon and a pencil. So I'm just going to count them. I've used 6 sheets this time, and I need them to be a nice rectangle. So I'm just making sure that the sides are all matching, and then I'm just going to cut it in half so it's a nice rectangle. I have my tissue paper in a perfect rectangle. I'm just going to use the ruler just to measure how thick I want it to be, and then just keep folding in a zigzag, and when you fold, flatten your tissue with a ruler just to make sure that it's nice and flat. That you've got to the end, just mark the shape of how you want it to be. You can have it any shape, so I'm having it round So I'm just going to mark it with a pencil, and then I'm just going to cut around it. After that, all you have to do is just tie the middle with a string or a ribbon. Make sure that it's nice and tight. You can also use this ribbon to actually hang your paper pom-poms. And now comes the bit which is quite therapeutic. All you have to do is just to pull the paper off one by one. Just going to do the last one a bit different. I'm just going to pull just one side of the paper pom-pom, so it actually looks like a fan, and it's a really nice decoration that you can have flat on a table, or you could still hang it. They look really cute, so I'm just going to do it different. Are these, and they're so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, because the next DIY video that I'm going to be posting will be how to make this really cute paper honeycomb. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share this content, and make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching.